Can you see the lines?
Yep.
Yeah, now you fix it. And stop. Yeah. Park it. अब देखो, perfect for my side. You are in. Okay.
Yeah. I agree with you. I hope doing The Exorcist gives you a lot more information.
Yeah. Yeah. When you see around, then.
Yeah. Because I like they were saying I was stopping looking here.
Yeah.
And then I was missing lots of stuff there. I could reverse it to someone or yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So, yeah.
Let's we come out. This time we're gonna be in this side, and we're gonna forward bay park any bay on your left.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Back should be that way. Yeah, steer that way. Your way. Good. Yeah. This time you should be staying in this side, and then forward bay park on your left. Any bay on your left. Put in drive first. Yeah, this side. And choose any bay on your left.
Okay.
Keep it straight.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's straight. So any bay on your left, and signal left, and then observation. Okay. Signal.
Yeah.
Move as well. Okay. Look at the post in the middle. Now straighten your wheels. Yeah. Go forward more, little bit, and then stop.
Yeah.
From my side, you are in. I don't know from your side. Yeah. Open the door and have a look. Are you in?
I'm in. Note yourself down.
Oh yeah, well done. Good. Okay, let's come in the middle and we do the reverse left now.
So into the middle, reverse, yeah. Okay.
Reverse left. Forward bay park, good. Left and right now, okay? Okay, slow down.
Wrong one.
Yeah. Steer to my side, yeah.